Hello, everyone. It is Lee for the Gamer, and today I am playing Redwood Prison with my friend Hotdog12368 and where is he? JeromeASF11234, and he asked, yeah, whatever. Now, let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay. What? Prisoners must go back to J block. Go. This is actually a t-shirt I'm wearing on my avatar. Open it. Oh, helicopters! 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 I'm so sad I can't sprint on here. It would be so much easier. But, okay, I was about to say, I'm beating him! But then, not anymore. So, and me and that guy right there, I don't know him. We both got the same beautiful backpacks. I know it looks more better on me, but not too bad. Okay. So, sometimes the helicopters become invisible. So then, yeah. Ow! Okay. What the heck? What in the world is happening to this? Something happened to the helicopter. Ow! Ow! Oh no. No, something happened to the helicopter. Okay, wait. It's still there on my screen. Okay, it's gone now. But I want to drive, but I'm not good at driving. Hot Dog's gonna drive. For some reason, me and Jerome weren't friends, so now we are. Okay, what's going on, Hot Dog? You're good at driving helicopters. Yay, we're flying. Yay. We're flying in the sky. Oh man, this is awesome. I hope no one shoots us and then this thing explodes. So loud! Yeah, you're landing. Beautiful water. Someone's shooting at us! Someone's shooting at us! Oh, I'll fly. I'm amazing. Oh no, I am not good at that. How do you control this thing? Oh crap! It's about to explode! It's gonna explode! We're gonna die! And I died. I tried. But who's shooting at us though? Someone was shooting at us. I tried my best. I don't know why people shoot at us. We're what did we do to them? What did we do to them? We did nothing. And then now what do they? Now they just kill us. Okay. Where's the police place? I think he means that part. Oh, and by the way, this JeromeASF is fake. It's probably just a fan of a guy that's a fan of him. Oh, right there, right there. We just what? Are you kidding me? Now she says, okay, let's go to the helicopter. I'm so slow. Like, look at me. I'm fat. I'm having a hard time running. If I was skinny, I'd still have a hard time running. I can't run at all. Look at me. I'm just gonna be walking and walking. Look. Look at her body. And then look at mine. She can still run. And me? I can't run. I have to crawl like a baby. Wow. Okay, let's go. Whoa. Where is she? Where's Hotdog? Okay, he's not there. Okay. We are flying again. Yay! We're finally flying. Keep up the good work, Hotdog. Good. Keep up the good work. What's that place? Fresh air, even though I don't really smell it in the game. It's still... It's so beautiful here. I can't believe it. Look at that beautiful... Oh no! Shoot at them! Shoot at them! Get my gun out and shoot! And shoot! Shoot! We're falling! Attack! Attack! No! I fall! Where's Hotdog? Hotdog! What happened? Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! They destroyed everything! How dare they? Look at that! Our helicopter exploded! That cost a lot. Okay? They're so rude. Wow. Wow. And we got no prisoners. Oh, wait a minute. Oh, jeez. What the heck? For reals? Did he really? What the heck? Oh my gosh. I like my hat. It's beautiful. Oh my goodness. Hotdog, you're just crazy. Where's Jerome? Butt humor? Really? Really? Wow.
Where's your mom gonna go?
Oh, mama.
Hello.
Come on. Okay, because you know what a bathroom is. I hope you do. I hope she knows what... Yeah. I hope Hot Dog knows what a bathroom is. Use the bathroom next time. And please, don't say that again. That's really, really embarrassing. Oh, no. I think it's going to be the end of it for today. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a big fat thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe. And yeah. Oh, whoa. I don't want to be in this car. What? Oh, look. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed. Wait a minute. That's a criminal. That's a criminal. That's a criminal. That's a criminal. First, we gotta stop this criminal. What the heck? I don't want to be in here. Attack! Attack! My gun didn't do any damage. Wow. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And yeah. She let it, like, bleh. Sheesh. You keep on calling him a she when he's a he. Hope you enjoyed, and I'm invisible. And Hot Dog, you are really dumb. You let a prisoner, I mean not a prisoner, well, pretty much a criminal go. Well, I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye. And I lost connection, great.